Hi, Joe Haney here from IAC. We have a tip of the month. This month we're focused on energy savings. We want to talk to you about how to do that utilizing IAC's Smart Plant system. It is a cellular connected, cloud-based baghouse control system, and it's really great at helping our customers avoid a lot of common issues with baghouses. What are some numbers behind that? 1, 10, and 80,000. Did you know that a failed diaphragm costs you $1 per minute that it's stuck open? We want to know about that sooner, and that's what the 10 is. Within 10 minutes, given how quickly you're cycling through your views of the system, that's how soon you'll know about that failed diaphragm instead of waiting to the end of the day, the end of the week, the end of the month for a given maintenance walk. And $80,000 was a real-world example of how much money we recently helped a customer save from avoiding downtime and getting that early awareness with that connected system. If you run a baghouse and you're watching this video, that baghouse is eventually going to fail from either thermal, chemical, or mechanical failures. Thermal and chemical may not be avoided. It's an upset condition, something out of your control. But mechanical is a very common method of failure for all baghouses. And what I mean is this: put a smart plant on your baghouse system, connect that to, say, the header pressure sensor, and you're going to know as soon as something has failed with the cleaning system on that baghouse. And that's important because that starts to affect the failures around it. You're going to see it with the Smart Plant system looking something like this: big, obvious notification right there on your system, delivered right to your phone, and then you can take action on that, like I said, within 10 minutes instead of waiting for that next maintenance walk. So I'm throwing a lot at you, but we'd like to talk to you about it more. This is about our Smart Plant system. You can Google IAC Smart Plant to find out more about it. My name is Joe Haney. Thanks for watching, and that's our tip of the month.